What happened?
I had to wait for Hartman and I turned off my bike.
You what?
I had to wait for Heartland and I turned off my bike.
First time the kids are riding their dirt bikes around the house. She's super scared. Look at her. Smiles and giggles. So anyways, I told her 5 minutes of riding, and that's all you got to do. I just want to make sure that you know how to ride. When we all go ride as a family, I just want you to hang out with us. So she always loves it when she gets on it. She's just scared. Say hi to Nora. Yeah? Nora is gonna be 1 year old in how long? How long? You don't know? She's gonna be a what in like less than a month. Baylor, come here, buddy. Our garage is an absolute mess. We just got back from a trip. A 150, Crystal 5, my 300. Say hi, you little cheeky, you little cheeky. Chaos. Harlan's standing up. Wow. I'm scared. Good job, Harlan. Harlan! Hey, hold on. Stop. Stop. Brakes. Oh, the throttle's getting stuck on. That's what's happening? Okay, let's play with that a little bit. Or hop off. Hey, you're doing amazing. I like you stand up. I gotta teach you a little trick when you stand up. Okay, we're gonna turn this thing down. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the PW50, but it has a throttle limiter. Loosen that guy, and then twist this guy in, and we're gonna tune her down. She's going a little rowdy. So what I want you to do is stand on your bike real quick. Okay? Sit on it. It's not going anywhere, okay. So stand up, like when you're going fast and you're standing up, remember that? Okay, so when you stand up on a dirt bike, what you do is you take your legs and you squeeze them into your bike. So stand up, and then you want to squeeze the bike with your legs. So push your legs, squeeze, 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 okay? And that's how you ride. I did my first Norcoast race. I came 16th out of 26, so it was open B class. Never done it before. I think it turned out okay. I mean, not really no training, and I don't know, it was fun. So I'm gonna race again coming up here in about 3 weeks. We'll see how that one goes. I'm gonna try and train a little bit, maybe place a little higher. We'll see.